Next is synergy, how we connect and grow together. There are many associations, communities, and ecosystems supporting innovation in AI and clean energy. Being part of the right network gives you access to collaborations, partnership, and shared knowledge. Synergy is about bringing people, ideas, and resources together to create greater impact. Whether you are looking to collaborate, learn, or expand your reach, the right ecosystem can accelerate your journey. Growth is faster when you grow together.
Technology is moving at the speed of thought, and most people feel overwhelmed. But what if you could turn that pressure into power? Welcome to PowerTECH Summit, where we simplify technology, systemize growth, and scale your future. This is not about replacing humans with machines. It's about mastering technology to grow your income, expand your purpose, and build a future-ready life. For 3 powerful days, we focus on high-voltage medtech, high-voltage biz-tech, high-voltage fintech. If you're a student, professional, entrepreneur, or business owner, right finger this event will transform how you think, build, and grow. 43 plus professional speakers, 13 plus sponsors and vendor. Why should you attend? This event is designed to empower you with actionable insights and hands-on experiences. Bullseye use code KSOM 30. Get 30% off before it sells out.